Hello everyone! Welcome to the Yeeflow world. Today I will show you how to using dynamic style and dynamic icon to show events list. Dynamic style and dynamic icons can be customized based on what you need, making categorization a breeze. In today's example, I'm going to show you how to set up dynamic style and dynamic icons right inside your dashboard. First off, we need a data list. We've got this application environment set up, named Company Board Portal. If we take a peek under the Calendar section, you'll find the data list we need. It's displaying various event types, including marketing events, internal training, and board meetings. In this existing data list, we use dynamic style and dynamic icon to show the events list more efficiently. All right, let's dive in and start crafting those dynamic styles and icons right here. We're jumping into the designer, and what you're currently seeing is how it all looks when it's done. But we're going to kick things off from the very beginning. Next up, I'll walk you through, step by step, how to implement dynamic style and dynamic icons. First up, you'll need to drag and drop the icon controls into the upcoming schedule section. Next, under Content, adjust its view to stacked and change the shape to square. When you get to the style settings, set the size to 18 and the padding to 60. Then, in the advanced settings, change the width to inline. Just like that, your icon style is all set. Next, let's set up its appearance. Click on Dynamic Display Rules. Here, you can create a rule. In the Rules section, set an expression. Select a collection item under Context and choose the event type. Event type should be equal to marketing event. After that, under Action, choose Dynamic Style and set the color you wish for this icon. Then click OK. Next, we need to set up a dynamic icon for this marketing event. Similarly, create a rule. Enter the event type. In the Action section, select Dynamic Icon. Choose the icon you want to use and click OK. You'll see that under Dynamic Display Rules, you've now set up the dynamic style and dynamic icon for the marketing event type. Next, let's use the same method to set up the dynamic style and dynamic icon for internal training. Choose Dynamic Style. Pick what color you like. Click OK. And then use same way to set an icon. After that, you can set up the board meeting in the same way. Once you've finished setting everything up, you can click Preview to see how things look with your configurations applied. After making sure everything is correct. With that, you've completed setting up the entire dynamic style and dynamic icon. With these simple steps, you can elevate your event lists from mundane to magnificent. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more tips and tricks. Thanks for watching.